Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to study the P-channel enhancement type MOSFET. So the construction of the P-channel enhancement type MOSFET is exactly the reverse of the N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. We will now have an N-type substrate and P-type channel. Remember that there is no channel in the enhancement type of MOSFET in the beginning, but channel is induced when the gate to source voltage, that is the VGS, becomes greater than the threshold voltage. So the induced channel in case of P channel enhancement type MOSFET will be P type channel. And the same equation is used to find the transfer characteristics as it was used to find the transfer characteristics of the N channel enhancement type MOSFET. And the direction of drain current will be opposite. Now, for comparison purposes between the N-channel enhancement type of MOSFET and P-channel enhancement type MOSFET, again, in the N-channel enhancement type MOSFET, the induced channel is of N-type, and in the P-channel enhancement type MOSFET, induced channel is of P-type. Here, the substrate is of P-type, but the substrate in this case will be of N-type. Again, in N-channel enhancement type of MOSFET, VDS will be operated for the positive values, whereas in P-channel, VDS will be operated for the negative values. The N-channel enhancement type of MOSFET again will only conduct when the gate to source voltage, that is the VGS, becomes greater than the threshold voltage. Denoted by VTH or VT, we can use both symbols VTH or VT. So in this case, for the N-channel enhancement type MOSFET, VGS is some positive value, but in this case again it will only conduct when VGS is greater than the magnitude of the threshold voltage, but in this case VGS and VTH are the negative value. The gate to source voltage and the threshold voltage denoted by VTH or VT are negative values. The transfer characteristics will be increasing positive values of VGS greater than VTH. So transfer characteristics in this case will be plotted for the positive values of VGS, and in this case the transfer characteristics will be plotted for the negative values of VGS greater than VTH. In this case the threshold voltage will be positive, whereas in this case the transfer voltage will be negative. Now this is the graph of the P channel enhancement type MOSFET. As you can have a look, now we have P doped regions and we have N type substance, so the induced channel will also be of P type. That is why it is called the P type channel. The transfer characteristics again will be for negative values of VGS, and the threshold voltage denoted by VT will also be a negative value. And again the transfer characteristics will also be plotted for the negative values of VGS, as you can have a look. So this was all about the P channel enhancement type MOSFET. Next is the symbols of the enhancement type MOSFET. So you can see the symbols of the enhancement type MOSFET on your screen. We have the symbol of the N channel enhancement type MOSFET as well as the P channel enhancement type MOSFET. You see that the symbols of the enhancement type MOSFET are similar to the depletion type MOSFET, except that this line which connects the drain and the source terminals is now a dash line. If you remember, in case of depletion type MOSFET, this line was a solid line, but now this line is now a dash line, and basically the dash represents the absence of channel under normal condition, that is under no bias condition. So because enhancement type MOSFET is normally off, there is no channel under normal conditions, and channel is introduced when the gate to source voltage becomes greater than the threshold voltage. So this dash line basically represents the absence of channel under no conditions. And also this short circuit between this point and this point represents that the substrate is internally connected to the drain terminal. In some cases the symbol is represented as that the substrate SS is taken as separate, but this representation is more common where this short circuit line represents that substrate is internally connected to the drain terminal. And the difference between the N channel MOSFET and the P channel MOSFET is again the direction of arrow. In P channel MOSFET the direction is in this direction, and in N channel MOSFET direction is towards this direction, because the arrow always points from P to N. Thank you.